All right, y'all, today, Tommy's gonna be showing us his trick for installing tires faster than I've seen just about anybody do it. And we're gonna be doing a little repair on that trailer right there. I don't do this for anybody else. This is for Tommy. If you're a customer, sorry, go to a trailer shop. We have jack stand. We do have jack stands.
What? Sit down.
Why are you just gonna marry that woman?
That must be the love of your life, Tommy.
I'm gonna take both of you. Yeah. Jesus. Is that a castle nut or something? There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
You can pick up on it.
I'm just picking up at all. I'm underneath it.
Alright.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it comes all the way back.
Comes all the way back. Yeah. Damn it.
Here.
Yeah.
Almost. Oh, nothing. We got it just about done.
They're just trying to line it up where it goes. Now, Mikey, you gotta say on camera that I got no liability for this. They gotta hear it. Huh? Alright, they gotta hear it. I'm good then. You know, I'm just jealous you can't butt walk like I can. Alright, let's give her a shot. It's not the prettiest thing, but it'll hold. Oh, Tommy, show us your leg trick for putting a tire on. I actually want to film this. You put a tire on faster than just about anybody I know. All right, do it. Just put it up on your calves.
Lift them up. This one's got one in the middle.
Faster than anybody else I know. So I just let them take all the scrap metal because I don't want to bother with it right now. It's probably about 40 bucks worth. You know what drives me crazy though? Is why do I get the same price at the scrapyard somebody bringing a refrigerator or other garbage gets? Whatever. See you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that. Thanks. Bye.